up guys, Okohola here and welcome back to another daily video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to see the latest videos. HTC has released few days ago its new flagship HTC U12 Plus with dual cameras on the back and on the front. It's a phone without a notch that packs in excellent video and audio recording capabilities, arriving in 3 eye-catching colors. HTC hopes it can finally be a part of the mainstream Android phone conversion again. The HTC U12 Plus is an evolution of the HTC U11 Plus design, with a liquid surface glass back, and this time comes in 3 colors. Those colors are ceramic back, flame red and translucent blue. The translucent model lets you to see a little of the internal components through the rear, but there's a sci-fi blue who do things. It's nice and geeky and I love it. Meanwhile, the flame red is the most striking of the models, changing from the red to gold as you move it around. HTC has avoided a notch display design, so this 6-inch phone is little larger than some recent rivals, preserving something of a chin and forehead above and below the display. At the top we can find both front cameras and the speaker, so it's not wasted space. The side bezels have trimmed down, HTC using a new technique to bring the edge of the display closer to the edge. While the glass front and the rear meet the metal core, it's actually the size of the phone that offers the innovation. The buttons are no longer mechanical, instead that they are pressure sensitive with haptic feedback, which I've not seen before, and they are lovely to use. The HTC U12 Plus has a 6-inch Quad HD Plus LCD screen with 18:9 body ratio, offering a resolution of 2080 by 1440 pixels with 537 ppi, making it one of the higher resolution flagship out there. This LCD screen, it appears to be a great quality, while it might not have those wow factor colors that AMOLED is pushing. It does look very natural, and the HTC flagship over the past years have been good at offering fuss-free display with few compromises. This display is also HDR compatible, so it will potentially support the likes of Netflix or YouTube in HDR. HTC U12 Plus is powered by the latest Snapdragon 845 chipset and has 6 GB of RAM and will start with 64 GB of storage, and the microSD slot will be available for more storage space. Despite the Gorilla Glass 3 back, the phone doesn't have wireless charging, but it does have Quick Charge 3.0. As most of the new flagships on the market, the HTC U12 Plus don't have a 3.5 headphone jack. Instead, you'll have to use the USB-C on the base for music and charging. The new Boom Sound Hi-Fi edition ensures that the speakers on this phone will sound great. The HTC U12 Plus comes with 4 cameras, 2 on the front and 2 on the back. Both pairs enable boho mode, which adds an artistic blurry background to portraits you take. You can adjust the focus point before or after you take a picture and change the amount of blur. There's also a nifty feature called Sonic Zoom, which, if you zoom in during a video recording, uses the phones for microphones to hone into your subject for better audio. The HTC U12 Plus shoots HD and 4K videos at both 30 and 60 frames per second. It also shoots slow motion videos at 240 fps at 1080p. HTC provides access to Alexa, including voice activation, so you can use Amazon's AI rather than the Google's. Of course, Google Assistant is also available. At this moment, HTC isn't saying too much about the HTC Scene Companion. When the HTC U11 was launched, there was a scene that the HTC was about to invent its own AI intelligence. What's more interesting is that the HTC is already taking about the Android P software. The update of the recent devices has actually been pretty good, and I hope there's a fast move to support the latest version of the Android later in this year. And at the end, the most exciting thing is the Edge Sense 2.0. This takes the idea of squeezable sides and boosts. There are more zones to squeeze as well, more types of interaction. Where the previous interaction felt little gimmicky, you can now do a lot more, so it's more exciting. It's also unique to this device, not something that the older HTC devices will get. The pre-sales of the HTC U12 Plus already started, and you can pre-order from Amazon, and the price starts from £699. Okay guys, that's it all for today. Thanks for watching, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to see the latest videos. Well, till the next time, see you, bye bye.